Hello folks, it's good to see everybody again. We're just back in from another trip rambling this week. We spent some time over in the area of Coffeeville, Alabama. We took our motor home and stayed at a park called Service Park on the Tombigbee River. Very beautiful park. If you've never had the opportunity to visit, it's one that you definitely would find that would be an enjoyable, quiet, restful place. It's very clean, very neat. We were searching for some fire towers that we thought might exist in that area. As you know, we're always chasing a fire tower. And we came up empty-handed this week. We had a lead on one called Aquila over out from Silas, Alabama, but we couldn't locate it. Apparently it's been taken down from the GPS numbers we have. We located another one called Turner down out from the Chatham area. And if it still exists, we couldn't get to it because it was gated off, so I don't know about that one. But anyway, we did have the opportunity to, while we were sitting on the banks of the beautiful Tombigbee River, to see the tugboats going up and down the river. And we happened to capture this beautiful tug coming south, coming down the Tombigbee River. The name of that tugboat was the Gretchen V. Cooper. We were able to find a little information about it online, and we shared that to our website and documented where we found it, and made this little video of this boat, this beautiful boat. So I hope you enjoy this video of this boat, and we'll be out chasing some more towers or some more boats or some more farm equipment or some more whatever, or logging equipment or whatever we find running that would be interesting. So if you would, thank you, and if you would please subscribe to our channel, we greatly appreciate it. Jackson's Ramblings, and go to our website, jacksonsramblings.com. Y'all have a great day.